So it's a West Coast Triumph reveal night down at Hillington. Let's go in and let's just see what's going on, what's happening, how many people have turned up. We're expecting a really good turnout for this tonight. It's the 2024 big VIP reveal.
Right.
Look at it. Look, everybody's here. They want to see some great bikes, hang out, talk bikes. Oh, it's going to be grand.
So we're going to kick it off. We're going to get a piper to come in and pipe everybody.
That's exactly what we're going to do.
Awesome. Let's get it done.
This is how we do it. Well, good evening, folks. It is wonderful to welcome you all here to West Coast Triumph Glasgow. Hope you're enjoying the nibbles. We are about to kick things off, but of course, it is Burns night, and we do have a surprise for you. So, everybody, take it away, Derek! Thank you so much, Derek. And what a way to kick off the night, folks!
Hey!
Alright, Simon, where are you? So, thank you so much for coming out tonight. It is a pleasure to open our doors and welcome you all to the store today. And we've got some pretty impressive reveals for you folks to see. So without further ado, if you want to if you're interested in seeing the 400s, this is the one for you. So come on down, folks. And don't worry, there is more food later, don't panic.
Ready?
He's under starter's orders. Are you ready? Without
right,
further
reveal after three, right? 1, 2, 3. It's a great bike to ride, and we've got little QR codes set up here, so if anybody wants to ride the bikes, scan the QR code and book it yourself and get it organised.
Under dust, and the fairies found me. And they led the way, they cleared the way.
So these have been highly anticipated as well. Of course they have.
Aye, they have.
Can anybody guess what they are? It's a bike. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Under the skin, I had fainted. And they carried me.
That's the new Scrambler 1200X. Now this bike has been brought out, and it's been brought out to serve a purpose, and the purpose to serve is to make it more accessible to more people.
This is a blinder, I've got to say. I'm in love with this bike.
Well, everyone knows that's my favourite car.
Everybody does though. I am in love with this bike. This has got fantastic style modes. The paintwork is stunning.
And it's gorgeous.
The graphics complement the lines. It's everything that it should be.
This is the coolest bike in the world. Quite a bulbous light that's on it, but now made it really quite slim light, and LED obviously. Now, Triumph had a look to see.
I do. I'm an analog chick, you know. I'm from the 1980s. I like things with key
look at the custom on either.
I know.
The sandpipe, isn't it? It's endless what you can do with it. Africa twins, and their biggest complaint when they went away on a trip from Europe this year has been...
It's interesting that you should say that, because that change in the firing order will probably shore up further that lower rev range.
Yeah. There you go, that was the review of the exciting new models we've got here at West Coast. Thanks a lot for tuning in, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please stick a subscribe and like the video, interact, please comment, help me out with the video, it gets more people to see it. But thanks again for tuning in to Sian Moto Photo. I hope you have a fantastic week, take it easy man.